My name is Victor Nieto. I went to school at the University of Arizona and graduated with honors in mining engineering with the School of Mines here. At U of A, when you're a freshman in engineering, they put you through this intro to engineering class where you learn from all the 15 different College of Engineerings. I remember the mining presentation blew my mind because they had a picture of an open pit mine and I had never seen anything mining before, so I was like, there's no way that's real. That looks like it's something out of a movie. U of A, it's a really unique place where it's such a large school. Like, you still get the benefits of a large state school, like the huge sporting events. You get an awesome social life. You get a beautiful campus. But, well, you also get the tight-knit community feel here. The academics here are really great too, and the curriculum and the networking opportunities, the field experiences you get as a student are really unbeatable. So there's plenty of opportunities. Through the college, you can get your merit-based tuitions just through the University of Arizona. You get access to a bunch of different, very unique scholarship opportunities. So right now, I work at the Sierrita mine for Freeport-McMoRan, and I love it. It's awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. Love the engineering and solving problems and using data, but I also like being outside and being able to see real-world applications. So it's really a great 50-50 field and desk work job, which is awesome. And Freeport really believes in developing their people and gaining us as much experience as we can. So in these 3 years, I've already had 3 different rotations. So the current role I'm in, I've been in for about a year. It's called Innovation Engineer. We help with anything from process improvement to maintenance plans to it's just overall employee experience and work conditions. I'm not just working in the pit anymore. I'm now helping with tailings. I'm helping with the crusher. I'm helping with the mill, even the electricians. So I'm learning so much all the time. The mining career is a place where you're gonna have an impact on not just your community, but the whole world. The things that drew me in were you get to be outside, you get to work on these huge problems that are so interesting. You have really cool rocks, you get to explore geology, there's opportunities for travel, and you even get to operate heavy machinery and blow things up. Like, what more could you want? I mean, it's such an interesting and fun job. So on the weekend, you can find me doing almost anything. I like to mountain bike, golf, hang out with friends. Tucson's a really great place for that because you can do so much here. I am Victor. I am a University of Arizona Wildcat. I'm a mine engineer at Sierrita for Freeport-McMoRan, and I am mining.